How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I had my 2018 Toyota RAV4, and this truck is almost brand new, but still the paint feels kind of rough. So I'm gonna clay bar the truck, the whole truck, and try to get the paint perfect. So I already did a full wash on the truck. You have to do a full wash before you start clay bar your truck. Do a full wash. After you go with the clay bar, do a wash again. And if you have an old car with a lot of scratch, the next step is gonna be taking care of that paint. But in my case, this truck is brand new. I don't need to do an extra step. I'm just gonna do a clay bar, wash it, and then seal the paint. So right here I have my clay bar, I have my Griot Speed Shine, and we're just gonna go through the whole truck with this because you need lubrication so you don't damage or you don't scratch your paint. You need some type of lubrication, and this one is really good for the job. Also, when you get your clay bar, I already used half for another project. With this little guy I can go through my whole truck. Just be careful, don't drop it, because if you drop it you need to throw it away. Right now I just need to spread the clay bar to cover the palm of my hand and then go through the whole paint, and I can fold it multiple times, and like that I'm gonna take care of the whole truck. But paint is okay, but it feels kind of rough in some spots, so we're gonna go through the whole truck and get this paint ready. Like I said, this is a brand new truck, so the paint is not really bad. After this I just need to seal the paint. Okay, so we have everything ready. We're just gonna spray. Make sure that you spray a lot so you don't scratch your paint. And with your clay bar, just go through it. You're gonna start feeling rough spots. Just go through it, and once you feel that the paint is smooth, that means that your paint is already clean out of contaminants. You hear that? If you can hear that, the paint is really rough, even though it's a brand new truck. And if you can see, we pick some stuff. I don't know if you can hear that, but paint is really rough. Imagine in an old vehicle. With this, you remove all the contaminants on your paint, and it's gonna be super shiny after this. I can feel already the paint really smooth, so that means that area is already clean. Okay, so I already went through all that. Look this, and I've been washing the truck already a few times, but if you see this clay bar, so dirty. So now we just need to fold it and start with the new part. I gotta wipe this down and move to another section of the truck. But if you do this right, make sure that you put a lot of lubricant so you don't scratch your paint. You can do your whole car probably like 20-25 minutes. Now the paint is so smooth. This is gonna help you too if you had water spots. It's gonna remove some, But if it doesn't, then you're gonna have to use a machine probably just to cut through the paint and remove those water spots in it. This hood is just perfect right now, so smooth. So we clean the paint. I'm gonna go through that section right now and then just move through the whole truck and clay by everything, and I'm gonna show you the end result. So I go through the back panel of the truck. This part was the most needed part from the truck. Look at this, how much stuff we removed from here. And when I was doing my wash, I can feel that this part needed a clay bar. So now it's really smooth. You can feel anything now on the paint. If you can see how much we removed. Just this little panel right here. Look at that. Just that little panel right here is rough. I'm glad I'm taking care of this. And also, if you need to do the glass, you can do the glass. You can do everything on the truck with the clay bar. Okay guys, so I already finished the whole truck. You can see everything is done. Everything is just perfect. And my clay bar is toasted. So the part that they needed the most was the roof, the hood, and the back of the truck. But everything now is perfect. I just gotta clean it, and then I gotta do a full wash. After I finish that, I'm gonna seal the paint with my VO7, and when I finish with this, I'm gonna do my blazing banana spray wax. So guys, that's how you clay bar your car. Make sure that you use a lot of lubricant so you don't scratch the paint. And then after you finish claying bar the truck, wipe it down, check for any scratches. If you have a machine to remove the scratches to polish your car, it's gonna be really good. If you don't, you can do it by hand. In this case, I'm gonna inspect the truck. Hopefully I don't see any scratches, but if I saw any scratches, I'm gonna remove it with my VSS. So I hope you like this episode, guys. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Peace.